Hello guys, I'm the Techno Kid this side. What's up everyone? Today in this video, we are going to make a scratch project, actually a scratch game, which is very famous. The game which comes on Google when your internet is not working. Yes, it is the one and only the Dino game. So without any further ado, let's get started. And now first of all you can open a new tab and open scratch, but you can search for Google Dino game Dino image. Like you can search for that, you will get these type of images. You can choose any one of them. You can do the same for the cactus. As I've already downloaded these both, so I should rather upload it now. This is the dino. Mm, and now for the cactus. Oh, that size is actually a lot much bigger than expected. 20? Oh no, it will have to be 25. And now it is a bit fine. And for here, 30 would be the best. And now you can see when I go on the costumes of the T Rex, the costume is actually this much. So we can crop it actually. Not crop, we can just go select this, select, and then select this, and then click on delete. You can see it is working. You can delete it that way. So there isn't any bug or something in your error in your game. I should have, or you can just select a transparent one while downloading, and then you wouldn't have to face the same issue as I am facing right now. Gosh, I wish that I had downloaded that only. Now this is almost done. That would much won't make that much of a difference. So it doesn't have that. So let me check. Yeah, it doesn't have it. And now for the backdrop, let's edit it. Let's make like it is in the Chrome browser. Let's make it something like that. We can select a rectangle, and from the fill we can select this. Yeah, so you can see that now the white part is visible. So what we can do is we can edit it a bit so that the white part won't be visible. And now for the coding, and for the coding, when we select the dinosaur, that when space key is pressed, we drag two repeat loops. Sorry, we drag two repeat loops, and from motion to change y by 10. And in the second one, you can do it change y by -10. And for the repeat loops, you can rather do 12. That 12 would be good. Now you can see it's jumping up and down. And now we when the oh wait, I want to shift to this coding. Yeah. Uh, when the flag is clicked, we want it to do something forever. Wait, yeah. And now we wanted to go to x200. No, we wanted to go to x230 actually. Go to x230, add glide 1 second to minus 230. Oh, glide 1 second to x minus 230 and y is the same. So you can see now it's doing, but that's very, very fast. So instead of 1 second, let us do 2.5. Now it will be much easier. But still, you can see that the tail of the dinosaur is touching. So let's do it further 3 seconds. 3 seconds would be much, much better. It all depends on the timing of the person playing. And when this clicked, go to X200. Now, wait. Uh, Only a bit of coding is left. Where is it? Control. Yeah, sorry, I've already grabbed an often loop. Touching the cacti. Mm, we want it to. You know what? Let's add another costume too of the dinosaur. We duplicate this costume, and then for it, we can select this fill one, that bucket, that is the fill, and click on this eye hole, and then grab this line icon and drag and drop it here, and then stretch it right here. So you can see it's as if it's the cross in the eyes, like it is dead or something. Switch costume to this, and we have already done this also in many. Stop all. Stop all. And now, but it won't be able to switch it costume when it is touching the cacti. And also, it's right stuck there in midair. You can see it's there in midair, and its costume is not also changed. And for that, we can minus 105. Now that 105 is a bit too low, and you can see that. So let's do it. Wait, let's edit this only. Minus 83. 83. So now it's perfect. And now for the costume, we go on looks, and uh this happens with me all the time. Switch costume this and drag and drop there and select the upper one. Now you can see also the costume is switched. When I click on this, it is in a random position, and its costume is also changed. And now for the last part, actually the easiest part, the part which we have done in almost all my videos of Scratch. the score. Set score to 0 when the flag is clicked and change score by 1 when the space key is pressed. And you can right click on this. Wait. Right click on this. I don't know what is happening. So this is a normal readout, and you can click on the large readout, so it is this way. And now let's test this. Yeah, our score is increasing. This touches, and one more thing we can add. We can just say duplicate. We can just take another one. So we have two of them. But let's forget the idea for now. You can see in this way we have created a very easy Dino game in Scratch. Please, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you all like my video. Please press the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and never forget to press on the bell icon, or else you'll miss out on some update and miss out on some cool stuff. Bye.